let's jump off that bridge when we get to it is an expression that my former mentor used to say all the time. And at the time, I didn't understand it. And now that I'm a bit older, I think about it quite often, that the expression that I grew up with was, let's cross that bridge when we come to it. But my problems in consulting are sometimes a lot more complex and need to be organized. So it could be a very big problem that needs to be solved in the time in which other problems need to be solved first. There's an order to which these problems should be solved. There's pre-work to be done. There's lots of planning in these problems. It's not as simple as crossing a bridge. To set up the structure or framework to make these decisions, you need systems in your business that help point out all the variables that could happen, all the aspects of your business that go into this decision. And to implement those systems, that's why you need a CFO.